Hey everyone, in this video today I'm going to change the battery on this Maserati, which is not starting. So when I check the battery health, it's at 10% and the charge is at 0%. And I have tried a trickle charger and it hasn't worked. Open the trunk, pull this cover up, and using this hook, we can hook it onto this liner here. Pull this cover off and pull this cover off by putting your fingers here. Then we're going to disconnect the negative by pushing into this tab and pulling this up. I'm going to undo the positive side bolt here, which should loosen this off the terminal there. Remove this red clip, then remove this one bolt over here. After that, we're going to remove this part. This whole assembly will come up and off. On the negative side, remove this nut over here using a wrench, and then this whole piece should come right off. Near the negative side, pull this hose out. With a 10mm socket attached to a flat tip screwdriver, can remove this nut holding down this bracket that holds the battery in place. And then we pull that bracket right out. And close to the negative side, we have this strap that holds down the battery. We're going to push in the middle of this metal part, not the edges, and that should allow us to loosen the strap. At this point, I'm just making sure the wires, straps, and hoses are all out of the way before I pull the battery out of the car. Battery is now loose, so it's time to go. So here is me pulling the battery out of the car, and it does take two hands to do it unless you're very strong and able to lift this large H8 battery. If you want to compare, I do have an interstate battery here. This is the old one, 6-year warranty, MTP49H8, and this is the new one with a bit more cold cranking amps. Now I'm removing the cover from the new battery and placing it on the old battery. Same goes for the negative side as well. The cap goes over here. The old battery had 10% health, the new one has 100% health, and it comes with a 98% charge from Costco. Just rechecking the battery tray and making sure I can keep all of these things out of the way when I put in the new battery. Using this yellow strap over here to hold the positive side up too. Okay, reconnect this battery exhaust tube right here, close to the negative side. Place the black strap all around the battery, and then make sure to tighten it up. We're close to tightening up this black strap. Close to the positive side, we have to reinstall this metal bracket, and this is such a pain because it goes down there and the bolt wouldn't latch on half of the time. I was able to use this screwdriver with the bolt taped to the end of it to be able to line up everything and then finally tighten it all down. There it is, all tightened down. Now I'll place this whole setup back on the positive side, as well as this wire over here. Attach this red clip. Tighten down the 10mm bolt on the positive terminal. Tighten down the 13mm bolt onto this. Place this IBS assembly on the negative side, and then tighten it down with a 10mm socket. Reconnect this wire on the negative side, and now power is restored to the car. Place this cover back into place, and then place this larger cover back into place. Then we'll take this much larger cover, undo this part, then put that back down, and we're good to go. Start the car. We have a reset parking brake message, and the way to do that is pull up twice on the parking brake and then release it, and that should go away. To reset the windows, you might need to pull the window all the way up and then pull the switch up once again, and then repeat it for the down position, and then you're good to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.